Numbers chapter 4. And the Lord spoke to Moses and Aaron, saying, Take the total sum of the sons of Kohath from out of the midst of the sons of Levi, according to their peoples, according to the houses of their patrimony, from 25 years and up unto 50 years, every one entering to officiate, to do all the works in the tent of the testimony. And these are the works of the sons of Kohath in the tent of the testimony, a holy of the holies. And Aaron shall enter, and his sons, whenever the camp should lift away, and they shall lower the veil overshadowing, and shall cover with it the ark of the testimony. And they shall place upon it a skin overcovering of blue. And they shall put upon it a garment entirely of blue from above. And they shall insert the bearing poles, and upon the table being situated for the breads, they shall put upon it a garment entirely of purple, and the saucers, and the incense pans, and the cups, and the libation bowls in which you offer a libation, and the continual breads shall be upon it. And they shall put upon it a scarlet garment, and shall cover it with a covering made of a skin of blue, and shall insert the bearing poles in it. And they shall take the cloak of blue, and shall cover the lampstand giving light, and its lamps, and its tongs, and its oil funnels, and all the receptacles for its oil, as many things as they officiate with them. And they shall put it, and all the items for it, into a covering made of skin of blue, and shall place it upon bearing poles. And upon the golden altar they shall place a garment of blue, and shall cover it with a covering made of a skin of blue, and shall insert the bearing poles of it. And they shall take all the items of the ministry, as many as they officiate with them in the holy places, and shall put them into a garment of blue, and shall cover them with a covering made of a skin of blue, and shall place them upon bearing poles. And they shall place the lid upon the altar, and shall cover over it with a garment entirely of purple. And they shall place upon it all its items, as many as to officiate with them, and the censers, and the meat hooks, and the bowls, and the lid, and all the items of the altar. And they shall put upon it a covering made of skin of blue, and shall insert the bearing poles of it. And Aaron and his sons shall complete covering the holy things, and all the holy items in the lifting away the camp. And after these things the sons of Kohath shall enter to lift. And they shall not touch of the holy things, that they should not die. These things the sons of Kohath shall lift in the tent of the testimony. Eleazar son of Aaron the priest is overseer, the light for the oil, and the incense of the composition, and the sacrifice by day, and the oil for the anointing, the overseeing entirely of the tent, and as much as is in it in the holy place, and in all the works. And the Lord spoke to Moses and Aaron, saying, Do not annihilate the tribe of the people of Kohath from out of the midst of the Levites, but do this to them, and they shall live, and in no way shall they die in their approaching to the Holy of the Holies. Let Aaron and his sons enter, and they shall place themselves each in his office. And in no way shall they enter to see suddenly the holy place, for they shall die. And the Lord spoke to Moses, saying, Take the sum of the sons of Gershon, and these according to the houses of their patrimony, according to their peoples. From 25 years and up unto 50 years, you number them, every one entering to officiate and to do his work in the tent of the testimony. This is the ministration of the people of Gershon, to officiate and to lift. And they shall lift the hide coverings of the tent, and the tent of the testimony and its covering, and the overcovering of blue being upon it from above, and the overcovering of the door of the tent of the testimony, and the shrouds of the courtyard, and the overcovering of the door of the courtyard, as many as are upon the tent, and upon the altar, and their extras, and all the items of their ministries, and as many as they officiate with them they shall prepare. By the mouth of Aaron and his sons shall be the ministration of the sons of Gershon, according to all their ministrations, and according to all their works. And you shall number them by names, and all the works by them. This is the ministration of the sons of Gershon in the tent of the testimony, and their watch by the hand of Ithamar the son of Aaron the priest. The sons of Merari, according to their peoples, according to the houses of their patrimony, you number them. From 25 years and up unto 50 years, number them, every one entering to officiate the works of the tent of the testimony. And these are the injunctions of the things lifted by them, according to all their works in the tent of the testimony: the tips of the tent, and its bars, and its posts, and its bases, and the posts of the courtyard round about, and their bases, and the posts for the veil of the gate of the courtyard, and their bases, and their stanchions, and their ropes, and all their items, and all the things of their ministrations. You shall number them by names, and all the items of the watch of the things being lifted by them. This is the ministration of the people of the sons of Merari, in all their works in the tent of the testimony, by the hand of Ithamar the son of Aaron the priest. And Moses and Aaron and the rulers of Israel numbered the sons of Kohath, according to their peoples, according to the houses of their patrimony, from 25 years and up unto 50 years, every one entering to officiate and to do the works in the tent of the testimony. And their numbering was according to their peoples, 2,750. This is the numbering of the people of Kohath, every one officiating in the tent of the testimony, as Moses and Aaron numbered by the voice of the Lord by the hand of Moses. And the sons of Gershon were numbered according to their peoples, according to the houses of their patrimony, from 25 years and up unto 50 years, every one entering to officiate and to do the works in the tent of the testimony. And their numbering was according to their peoples, according to the house of their patrimony, 2,630. This is the numbering of the people of the sons of Gershon, every one officiating in the tent of the testimony, of which Moses and Aaron numbered by the voice of the Lord by the hand of Moses. And were numbered also the people of the sons of Merari according to their peoples, according to the houses of their patrimony, from 25 years and up unto 50 years, every one entering to officiate and to do for the works of the tent of the testimony. And their numbering was according to their peoples, according to the houses of their patrimony, 3,200. This is the numbering of the people of the sons of Merari, which Moses and Aaron numbered by the voice of the Lord by the hand of Moses, all the ones being numbered, of whom Moses numbered, and Aaron, and the rulers of Israel of the Levites according to their peoples, and according to the houses of their patrimony, from 25 years and up unto 50 years, every one entering to the works of the works, and the works of the things being lifted in the tent of the testimony. And the ones being numbered were 8,580. By the voice of the Lord he numbered them, by the hand of Moses, man for man, over their works, and over what they lifted themselves, and they were numbered in which manner the Lord gave orders to Moses.